You know, as I look out over social media, I find that there is a lot of information out there about traveling by rail, but it's all bits and pieces. It's not really a comprehensive guide to traveling by train here in the United States. No one there, like I said, there are a lot of bits and pieces, but nobody gives you the complete poop from start to finish. So here's what we're going to do. I have a trip already planned. I already got all my tickets purchased and so forth. And it's a huge trip this next summer that's going to go over 7,000 miles. I'm traveling through 15 different states. I'm going to take some of Amtrak's longest and most beautiful segments along the way. But here's the great part. I'm going to take you with me on this trip. Now, when I say I'm taking you with me, I'm not just going to show you video clips of my journey. I'm going to take you through every part of planning for a trip on Amtrak. Everything from planning the trip and to choosing the destinations, to buying your tickets, to where to park when you go to the station, how to manipulate all the stuff that goes on at the station. We're going to take the trips. We're going to talk about every single aspect that happens when you travel by rail in the U.S. Now, this isn't going to be some long, boring video. No, these are all going to be individual videos so that you can pick and choose what you really want to learn about. Now, if you're an experienced Amtrak traveler, you may not want to watch all the videos. I mean, you may want to pick and choose things that interest you. But if you're a first-time traveler or you're thinking about traveling on Amtrak, then this video is just for you. So now is the time to click on that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos. And along the way, I'm going to take you along on the journey with me. So you'll be able to get some live updates as we go on the journey, and you'll be able to see the videos afterward as well of the entire complete trip. So subscribe now so that you don't miss anything. And if you've got some specific questions or concerns, drop me a note in the comments or send me an email and I'll make you a part of this video. We're going to call it Alan's Amtrak Excellent Adventure. Sound familiar? So here we go. All aboard.